Today I'm bringing you classic braid and curl via a wig and this wig is the collaboration between HerGivenHair and Naturally Mary Hair on YouTube, and this is what the wig looks like right out of the box. It also comes with a silk sack that you can store your wig in, and that's me with some old hair. And what I love about kinky wigs is that I don't have to braid my hair super tight underneath, and I literally just pulled my hair back. So let's get started. This is what the wig looks like on my head. I know it looks crazy, guys, but you know, don't watch that. This is just for the purpose of setting the style. And as you can see, it's cute. The curls are cute. It has really nice layers already. It almost has like a bang area that I guess you could adjust for your face to frame your face better. So before we get started, I'm just misting the hair down a little bit. To set the style, I'm using the Curlific Curl Definer by HerGivenHair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just create my braids. Feels a weird swing in the summer. The wind just being embraced. Wireless audio on your love. You're a festival I celebrate. I'm not quite sure what size these perm rods are, but I do have two different sizes that I'll be using to achieve this hairstyle. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is for my fingers to glide through the hair with just water in it before I apply the product. I used to absolutely love doing braid and curls way back when. I don't actually know why I haven't done one in so long, but this definitely has awoken my inner braid and curler. Maybe one more dance. Papi chulo, maybe one more dance. Papi chulo, maybe one more dance. Papi chulo, maybe one more dance. And check out that huge bob on the back of my head. Oh my god. Don't worry, guys, you know, the next day it's gonna look cute. And here we are looking cute. I've cut the lace off the front of the wig, and I also applied a little bit of my foundation color. And as you guys can see, I like to sit my wig a little bit behind my cupid's bow, just because it looks weird if I bring it before the bow. So here I'm just taking down the hair, carefully trying not to disturb the curls too much. A few of the braids in the back were actually still slightly damp, but it still managed to hold the curl or the definition quite well. Papi chulo, maybe one more dance. Papi chulo, maybe one more dance. Baby girl, dance like you do. And guys, the hair felt so soft. I just wanted to show you the bounce that it had. It felt really, really soft. I was quite surprised. It was extremely juicy. And that's it. So I'm just gonna try and get rid of all the parts by just lifting the hair at the roots. And I don't know if you guys can see those fuzzies at the top, but it was really, really annoying me. So I'm just gonna go over those with a little bit of setting lotion. And I'm using the Lotta Body setting lotion, 2 pumps, just it. And then I'm just gonna brush that down with my ball bristle brush. And that's it, guys. It's so cute, or at least I think so. Very ethereal looking. And yeah, so I'm gonna put all the details of this hair below. They also have loads of anniversary giveaways happening, so do check them out, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Papi chulo, maybe one more dance.
chulo, maybe one more dance. Papi chulo, maybe one more dance. So I said, Benaki, she said, Papi chulo, maybe one more dance. Dance, Papi chulo, maybe one more dance. Dance, Papi chulo, maybe one more dance.